Hi guys, good morning. So today, meron tayong kape and we're gonna do the laundry. Wow, 1 week to. It's nice. Maaga pala, mga 8:30. Hi. So we are doing laundry right now. Actually, I already started with the white one. So this is $2 per wash. Yan, si Daddy, si Zaffy. So we have here our soap. Optional lang kasi may mancha yung puti. You have bleach and then snacks. And then we also have, what do you call this? Wait lang, kunin ko. And para sa dryer. So, nandito yung dryer. So, we're actually in Lethbridge Residences. So, ito yung laundry area namin. Yan. So, maraming machines and dryer. So, marami kaming labahin. So, yan. Na-load ko na siya lahat. Yun na is, mayroon naman instructions on how to do it. So, yung soap, and then, yung mga damit, then, we'll close the lid, and then, let's put our loomies here. Yan. Then, you just need to select the cycle. So, yung napili ko is mixed, and then, I will be choosing cool. Yan, and then you just need to push this one all the way. Yan, na-shoot na. Then you just need to press start. Yan. So it's starting already. So I just need to do the last one. Parang 6 days lang kami dito sa Canada. Malami pa kami labayan kasi we're family. Meron puti, isang puti. Na-dry na kami. Hadi we have 25 cents. So, temperature high. Dry only. Twist the day. Then push to start. Select temp. Insert coins. Then push to start. High. Sige. Twist. Push. Done. Okay. You do the next.